Hello students, I wish you a good morning. Today we are going to learn chapter number 18, Water in EVS part 2. So let's start. We all are know that we need three things for a life. First is water, second is air, and third is food. Okay, so what is the importance of water? We can't live without water. Yes, of course, we can live without water only few hours, but not then more hours. We need water. Now let's learn about this chapter. Look at here. This is Bruno. Bruno drinking water. This is Kitty. Kitty drinking water. Now next. This is Nita and her friends. Bruno, Kitty, Nita and her friends drink water when they are thirsty. This is Nita and her friends. Bruno, Kitty, Nita and her friends drink water when they are thirsty. Next, this is mango tree. A tree also needs water. We all need water. See, this is mango tree. Mango tree also needs water like us. We use water in different ways. We use water in different ways. Let's see what ways they are. First, drinking. We used water for drinking. Bathing. We used water for bathing. Next, we use water for washing like clothes, cars, dishes, etc. We use water for cooking. We use water for swimming. We use water for sailing. So this is the ways of water we can use. Now next, tick right the things that give water. Here given some pictures. Here also given some more pictures. So you have to match that picture, which picture give water. So look at the first picture. This is well. So well gives us water. So we have to tick right on this circle. Okay, next, this is truck. So children, give me answer. Truck given water? Truck given us water? No. So we can't do anything in this circle. Next, look at here. Rains fall down. So when rains fall down, that we can say they give us water. So we can do here tick right in this circle. Next, road. Road give us water or not? No, road don't give us water. So we have to do not do anything in this circle. Now water tap. So children, give me answer. Water tap give us water or not? Yes, water tap give us water. So we have to do tick right in this circle. Now this is, we call this hand pump. Did you see hand pump? So give me answer. Hand pump give us water or not? Yes, hand pump give us water. So we have to tick right in this box. Now here some explanation given. Let's read about. You all are know, children, that rainwater goes into the soil and can be taken out by us from wells and by hand pumps. रेन वाटर गोज़ इनटू द सॉइल मतलब कि जो बारिश होती है वो सॉइल यानी मिट्टी में जाती है, फिर उसके बाद सारा पानी मिट्टी में जमा होता है और उसके बाद हम उसे ऐसे वेल कुआं बना के या तो फिर ऐसे हैंड पंप बना के वो सारा पानी हम ऐसे बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. ओके. Now next, tick right the actions that are good, tick cross the ones that are bad. Now let's see which actions are good or which actions are bad. So here one girl given water to the plant. So this is good or this is bad? Yes, plants also needs water same like us. So we have to give water them. So this is good or bad? This is good. So we have to tick right in this action. Now next, one boy brushing his teeth and tap is open. So this is good or bad? This is bad because we don't waste water. So we have to tick cross in this action because we save water. We don't need to waste water. Now look at here. These girls throw off the water of thermos. So this girl waste of water. So this is good or this is bad? This is bad. So we have to cross out in this circle. Now next, look at in these actions. Rainfall is become and one boy save this water from rain. So this is good or bad? So yes, we have to save water from rain. We don't need to waste it. So this is good. So we have to tick right in this circle. So children, today we discuss about how we save water. We don't waste the water, and other things is we all are need to live just because of water. I hope you all are understand.